Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a game changer in the world of oral care, the SLATE Electric Flosser. This 3-in-1 electric tool promises to not only floss your teeth, but also massage your gums and clean your tongue. A dentist-invented innovation, it combines multiple functions to elevate your oral hygiene routine. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The SLATE Electric Flosser is designed with convenience and thoroughness in mind. It's a multi-use device offering 3 key functions: flossing, gum massaging, and tongue cleaning. What makes it stand out? The floss heads are reusable, allowing you to use them for a week or more. Just rinse and air dry after each use. The floss itself is made of 450 strands, free from wax, Teflon PFAs, and PTFAs, offering a non-toxic alternative to traditional floss. The gum stimulator features ribs and bristles that massage and clean your gums while removing plaque and food particles. And let's not forget the 3-blade tongue scraper that mimics the natural curvature of your tongue for effective cleaning. This tool is designed to eliminate the need for water, string floss, and floss picks, making your oral care routine quicker and more efficient. I've had the chance to test out the SLATE Electric Flosser for a while, and here's what I found. First, setting it up was super simple. There's no complex assembly required. Just attach the reusable floss head, and you're good to go. When it comes to flossing, I was pleasantly surprised by how easily it slid between my teeth, even in those harder-to-reach spots. The ultrasonic power flossing technology did a thorough job, and I noticed a significant reduction in plaque after just a few uses. The gum massager also felt really soothing, almost like a mini massage for your gums. However, one thing to keep in mind is that it can take a bit of getting used to if you're accustomed to traditional flossing, as the feeling is different, but the results are clear. The tongue scraper worked well too, gentle but effective, scraping away residue without causing discomfort. Now let's break it down. The pros of this product are clear. It's an all-in-one solution, saving you time and hassle. The reusable floss heads are an eco-friendly touch, and the gum stimulator really works wonders for stimulating blood flow and cleaning in areas that brushing alone misses. On the downside, the unit itself is a bit larger than some may expect, and while it's great for most ages, young kids might find the size or function a little tricky to navigate. Also, while the ultrasonic flossing does a great job, it might not be as aggressive as some people like for really tight teeth. So keep that in mind if you're someone who needs a more intense clean. So, is the SLATE Electric Flosser worth it in terms of value for money? It's priced higher than traditional flossing tools, but considering it's a 3-in-1 system with reusable floss heads, the overall cost can be justified. For its design and functionality, it feels like a solid investment, especially if you're looking for a more sustainable and efficient way to care for your teeth and gums. When comparing it to other electric flossers on the market, the SLATE holds up well. Many alternatives only offer basic flossing capabilities, while this one integrates gum stimulation and tongue cleaning, which gives it an edge in terms of providing a full oral care experience. Some cheaper options might lack the eco-friendly reusable floss heads or the same level of versatility, making the SLATE stand out in its category. In terms of build quality, the SLATE Electric Flosser feels durable. The materials used seem sturdy, and it's clear that this isn't a product designed to fall apart after a few uses. I haven't encountered any issues with wear and tear so far. As for customer support, I haven't needed to reach out yet, but based on the product's overall quality, I'd expect good service if needed. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are plenty of traditional electric flossers out there, but they typically lack the multifunctionality the SLATE offers. Some basic models may be more affordable, but won't provide the gum stimulation or tongue cleaning features. So, if you're aiming for an all-in-one device, the SLATE Electric Flosser may be a good investment. To sum up, the SLATE Electric Flosser is a well-rounded tool for anyone serious about oral hygiene. It offers a multi-use solution that saves time and effort with features that work effectively for most users. It's a bit larger than expected, and not all users may find the flossing intensity quite right for extremely tight teeth, but overall, it delivers on its promises. If you're looking for something more than just a basic flosser, this could be the tool for you. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other oral care enthusiasts can also discover this video. And feel free to share your thoughts or experiences if you've tried the SLATE Electric Flosser yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep your smile as bright as your future here on Beautyistic.